Hey there, tech enthusiasts and future thinkers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a thrilling topic that's equal parts fascinating and frightening. Imagine a world where robots not only assist us, but also have the capability to take down the most powerful figures on the planet. Sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, today we're discussing the top 5 most powerful man-killer robots. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. Before we dive into our list, let's set the stage. The concept of killer robots, or autonomous weapons, has been a hot topic in the realms of technology and ethics. Are you ready? Let's get started. Number 5, the Boston Dynamics Spot ***. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Boston Dynamics Spot. You may recognize this 4-legged robot from viral videos showcasing its impressive agility and versatility. While it's often seen delivering packages or inspecting construction sites, Spot has a darker side. Imagine Spot, equipped with advanced surveillance technology and weaponry. It could patrol high-security areas, gather intelligence, and even neutralize threats without breaking a sweat. Although it's primarily a tool for safety and efficiency, the potential for militarization is undeniably intriguing, and a little terrifying. Number 4, the SGR Host ***. Coming in at number 4 is the SGR-A1, a South Korean sentry robot designed for border security. This high-tech guardian is equipped with motion sensors and can autonomously identify and engage intruders. What sets the SGR-A1 apart? It has the capability to operate without human intervention. Once it detects a target, it can make the decision to fire. The idea of an autonomous robot patrolling borders and making life or death choices raises serious ethical questions. It's a powerful piece of technology that could easily be adapted for more aggressive purposes. Number 3, MAARS, Multi-Terrain Autonomous Remote Control System ***. At number 3, we have MAARS, or the Multi-Terrain Autonomous Remote Control System. This beast of a robot is designed for combat scenarios and can be remotely operated by soldiers. What makes MAARS particularly powerful is its ability to carry a variety of weapons and conduct reconnaissance missions. Imagine a squad of these machines on the battlefield, supporting troops and eliminating threats without risking human lives. While it's a game-changer for military operations, the implications for the future of warfare are chilling. Number 2, the Kiva Robot. Number 2 on our list is a bit of a surprise, the Kiva Robot. Primarily used in warehouses for logistics and inventory management, Kiva robots are revolutionizing the way goods are moved. But envision this: with modifications, Kiva robots could become formidable opponents. Their speed, agility, and ability to coordinate with one another could make them a nightmare in the hands of the wrong people. Imagine a fleet of Kivas working together to disrupt supply chains or even infiltrate secure facilities. The possibilities are both impressive and alarming. Number 1, the Terminator T-800 ***. And finally, at number 1, we have the iconic Terminator, specifically the T-800 model. While it originated in fiction, the idea of a humanoid robot equipped with advanced AI and combat capabilities is becoming less far-fetched every day. The T-800 represents the ultimate soldier, a machine that can learn, adapt, and execute complex missions with precision. It raises the ultimate question: what happens when AI surpasses human intelligence? The line between ally and enemy blurs, and the potential for catastrophic outcomes looms large. While we may be a few decades away from this reality, the implications of such technology are worth discussing now. What do you think? Are we heading toward a future where machines could threaten humanity, or is this just the next step in technological advancement? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more exciting content.